Only qualified personnel should install Napoleon appliances and accessories. See product manual for details. This video will demonstrate how to install a Driftwood log set into a Napoleon AX42-1 fireplace. The studs within the firebox have letters associated to them for identification. This helps indicate correct log placement when used with the log placement leaflet. First, locate the holes in the bottom of log 1 and place them over studs A1 and A2. Ensure the charred end of the log is facing forwards. Locate the holes on the bottom of log 2 and place them onto studs B1 and B2. Ensure the charred end is facing forwards. Place log 3 at the back of the firebox and pull it forward, ensuring the notch sits around the pilot shield. Place the bump out on log 4 into the notch on log 1, resting the charred end of the log to the left of grate post 1. At this point, place glowing embers on the burner, in front of the large clusters of ports. Ensure not to cover the burner completely, as this will affect the desired flame appearance. Locate the upper notch on log 5, the bump out on log 3, the lower notch, and grate post 2. Place the upper notch over the bump out, and rest the opposite end of the log on grate post 2. Locate the bump out on the bottom of log 7, and place it into the notch on the top of log 2. The larger end rests against log 3, and the smaller end sits above the front grate, between grate post 3 and 4. Locate the notch on the bottom of log 6, and place it on the front grate, on the left side of grate post 3. The smaller end of the log rests between log 1 and 2. Locate the notch on the bottom of log 8, the bump out on the top, and the center notch on log 5. Place the bump out into the notch on log 5, and rest the opposite end on the front grate, between grate posts 3 and 4. Place log 9 on the media tray, with the center underneath grate post 2. Ensure the large end of the log is facing grate post 1. Place the supplied charcoal on the media tray, around the logs, to finalize the media installation. Never cover the burner and air intakes or allow objects to come in contact with the pilot. Allow the fireplace to burn for a minimum of 15 minutes before assessing the flame. Note the peaks and valleys within the flame pattern. Logs should not impinge or split any flames as the fireplace burns. Check the placement of the glowing embers. They should not restrict the flame and should be placed to create a realistic glow effect on the burner. See the video description for all manual, leaflet, and part numbers for this log set. Click here to view the Wolf Steel Technical YouTube page. Like and subscribe to our channel to get notifications for new product and troubleshooting videos.